Love all of them. Brilliant. Well, out there today we've had quite a lot of cloud, and for some of us some wet weather too, and even some rumbles of thunder at times. But most of the rain is now out into the North Sea, but we're left with a good covering of cloud, and the thickest of this could still produce some rain and drizzle in places. It's a bit misty and murky out there for some of us as well, and temperatures, well, in places around 10 degrees lower compared to earlier this week, with the winds round to the northwest. So we've got a yellow warning that's been issued by the Met Office. It covers tonight and tomorrow for heavy rain. We could see 10 to 20 millimetres quite widely, but perhaps even 30 to 50 millimetres of rain in places. So that rain pushing northeastwards through this evening and overnight. The greens showing that we are going to have some heavy persistent downpours and perhaps some thunder at times. Temperatures, well, it's not a cold night. Most of us staying in double figures. And the winds, they'll become more southwesterly in direction. By morning, first light, they could be gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour. So a windy start to the day. Now tomorrow, the front that brings us the overnight rain pulls away to the southeast, and we've got this cold front pushing down from the northwest, in between some fine and dry weather. But at the moment, we're not quite sure how long it will take for the last of the overnight rain to clear. It could still be clinging to the southeastern corner by the middle of the day, but for many of us, we've become fine and dry with a few showers for a time before the next lot of rain pushes down from the northwest. And again, some of this is likely to be heavy and potentially thundery at times. And it will be windy, those winds gusting 35 to 45 miles an hour, with temperatures perhaps a degree or so higher compared to today, but it's not going to feel that nice out there with the wind and the rain. But it's much more straightforward on Saturday, apart from an odd shower, fine and dry, but noticeably colder and still quite windy. Those northwesterlies gusting between about 25 and 35 miles an hour at strongest, and still pretty windy on Sunday, largely dry, but again an odd shower and even colder.